Are you an iPhone user looking to try out the latest Safari features? Then this video is for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech is Simple channel.
In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to enable features flags on Safari browser. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find Safari. Once you find it, tap on it. So now what you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Advanced. And now you will be able to see an option called Feature Flags. Just tap on it. Once you are on this page, you will be able to see a list of all the features flags in the Safari web browser. If you want to enable a feature on this list, simply tap on the switch next to the feature that you want to enable. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.